Hey, so I'm testing out this chlorine test paper. Gives you a nice little chart right on the bottle. Actually, it's on a instructions thing within the bottle, but you can just leave it right there on the bottle. That way you can test your chlorinated cleaners and just test it against the bottle itself. This bottle I found was a little difficult to open, but that's probably in order to keep these things from getting contaminated with chlorine or things that are going to disturb the test. So when you actually open it up, you can find that the strips are packed in there pretty much. And they're just, there's no indicators on the strips themselves, just pieces of paper, fairly thin. Does have a slight texture to it. I don't know the science behind these things, but of course, you're just going to dip that into your solution. And I have 3 solutions here that I'm going to test. One is a Members Mark floor cleaner. The next one is Mr. Clean Freak. And the last one is a Chlorine bathroom cleaner. It says with bleach. So we should certainly get some indication on this one that it contains chlorine. So first though, here's the first one. We're just going to dip it in and then compare it. So if it contains anything at all, it's going to be low. And it might not contain anything at all. Let's try the next one. This is the Mr. Clean. And once again, looks like it does not contain any bleach, any chlorine. And finally, this is the Chlorine with bleach, so it should show up as having some bleach in this one. But once again, it's really, really low, interestingly. So just keep that in mind. If you're testing things with really, really low bleach content, it's not going to show up very strong. I'm going to find something that has more bleach in it and will definitely show up. Actually, I tested all of these different kinds of things, and I have not found anything in my home that has bleach in it. All right, I did finally find some actual things with bleach in them. Here's Clorox with bleach, and here's Chlorine with bleach. And these actually will show up on these text strips. So here, for example, this one's really, really strong. It's actually so strong that it bleaches most of the thing there, and you can see that that's all white from dyeing it from the bleach, and then that's actually the thing there, the color, and it goes beyond the test strips because that's super, super concentrated. And then this other one is not quite that concentrated, so but it does show up on the scale. But yeah, it doesn't dye the strip completely, but it does show that it is highly concentrated. I did water down this one here, and I want to show you once it's watered down kind of what you can expect, because you do want to dilute these things generally when you're cleaning with them. And this one, when it's watered down quite a bit, I had to water it down quite a bit to get to this this low on the scale, but you can see that it's kind of in between these two there. And that's really just with a few drops of this bleach watered down that much. So yeah, so these do work in terms of showing you the concentration of chlorine or bleach. So if you need that kind of thing, hope that helps.